Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a payment in PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to your activity page. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent transactions. It's crucial to identify the specific payment you wish to cancel. Look closely at its status, as this will determine whether direct cancellation is possible. Payments that are unclaimed are generally the easiest to cancel directly, often with just a few clicks. If your payment shows an unclaimed status, you're in luck. This means the recipient hasn't yet accepted the funds, making cancellation straightforward. From your activity page, simply locate the unclaimed payment. You should see a cancel button right next to it. Click this button and then confirm your decision when prompted. The funds will then be returned to your account, typically within a few moments, without any further action required from the recipient. For payments that are pending or completed, the process differs. If a payment is pending, it means it's still processing, and you might need to wait for it to either complete or expire. If it's completed, direct cancellation isn't an option. In this case, your best course of action is to contact the recipient directly to request a refund. If they are unresponsive or unwilling, you can open a dispute through PayPal's Resolution Center within 180 days of the transaction. Remember, timing is key when attempting to cancel a payment. The sooner you act, the higher your chances of success, especially for unclaimed payments. Always double-check recipient details before sending money to prevent future issues. Also, familiarize yourself with PayPal's buyer protection policy, which can offer recourse for eligible purchases that don't arrive or aren't as described. This policy provides an extra layer of security for your online transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.